Jamaica's Usain Bolt led the list of qualifiers heading to the next round as the World Athletics Championships kicked off in London, England today.
Bolt won his race to lead the Jamaican qualifiers in the men's 100 metres, who also included Johan Blake and Julian Fort. The TVJ sports team will have team coverage later this evening, including detailed reports on the other qualifiers and events, as well as news out of London from our reporters on the ground.
But we begin our primetime news package with a look at Bolt's race, the race being watched across the world.
Is he ready? Can he deliver again? The sixth and final heat of the men's 100 metres. The first three guaranteed a place in the semi-finals. Vico in 3 and Usain Bolt in 7. So it's a clean start. It's a good start by Daseolu from Britain in lane number 4. Usain Bolt takes a look to his left, turns on the afterburners and unofficially clocks 10.08 seconds.
Good stuff there from Bolt. He is the master of just doing enough in the early rounds. 10.07, it's been rounded down. Daseolu has been given the nod ahead of Jimmy Vico, so the three big names made it through comfortably there. Tada was 4th for Japan. He will go through as one of the fastest losers, but it was about one man. It was about Usain Bolt.